hear that? The sounds of nature, the beauty of it, the wonder of the greatness of this nature that surrounds us all. Isn't it amazing the amount of beauty in nature that is about us? It is in every area of our lives, in every corner of the globe. The wonder of its majesty, its wondrous sight, how it just grows and grows and grows and creates as the trees flourish and grow in sight, as the fields populate and the light of the day does shine, growing the grasses and where the field mice play. Such a wondrous place where the deers and the antelope jump, where deers come to eat and off the foliage, where carnivores like mountain lions come to feast on those deer and those antelope. So yummy a treat. Oh, nature. Isn't it a magnificent thing? Its magnificence and its craziness and its wildness. Because truly, do we have control over nature? No. Nature is out of our control, out of our realm. It is beyond us. The way it grows and sponsors. And it is so beautiful, isn't it? The mountains stretching out. A little city here and there, but mostly mountains just stretching out as far as the eye can see. The nature. Isn't it a beautiful thing worth protecting? Worth defending? Like the natural order of animals and creation. By keeping our cities small and just dotting valleys, can't we better protect this nature by not creeping up on these beautiful mountain hills, these wondrous natural habitats where so many animals live and thrive in their own natural environment, where the king of the jungle is the mountain lion, I suppose, the king of the mountain. Understanding the balance of life, or maybe the bear with his fishy grab and his berry taste. So much to nature. So many wonders. From the crickets and grasshoppers and ants and creepy crawlers, which are great food for some of nature and eat of other nature. The plants and the trees. Such a beautiful thing nature be. And it's wondrous and it's magnificent as it stretches out before us. Worth protecting any day of the week or month or moment of life. Like the nature of a man and a woman being together. The nature of childbirth and creation of mankind. Like the nature of animals to mate, to find love and heart, to find that which is like to equal in their desires, to find that which is not quite equal in design, yet so alike in desires and heart. The wonders of love, the wonders of life. And the fantastic beauty of nature and its complexities of it. What a wonderful thing. Don't you think?